Okay, here's Ashlyn. Ashlyn's doing a cinnamon shot. Come on. Say something.
Why?
See, she worked herself up. There's no way. Go, do it. You're not going to throw up. I didn't made all that up.
Let's do it. You really did?
Yeah, of course I did.
I don't know, Ashley. I've never done it, so do it. Okay.
Swallow it. Look at Look.